Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Allie and I am a domestic wannabe. And right now I am doing the FlyLady zone cleaning from zone 1 to zone 5 and documenting my journey along the way. Day 7, zone 2 started with me having to do some work for my job. And I had to get some work done so that my son and I could go and spend the afternoon with his Nana at Chuck E. Cheese. So I focused really hard on getting all of that done. And then we got home, we made a Walmart run to get some treats for his last day of school. I made the best Chipotle chicken burgers ever. And this is now the cleanup from dinner. So I'm putting away any of the leftovers, putting away extra onions that I cut up for the burger, and realized I still had my zone cleaning to do. So before I could jump into the zone, I was a little overwhelmed with the state of the kitchen. So I decided to do a kitchen room rescue. You could say it was a 5-minute room rescue, but I did not time it. I just had to get some stuff done. So I cleaned up dinner. I walked around and hemmed and hawed at where am I supposed to start because I was feeling a little tired. And then I remembered our focus for the month is drinking water. So I went and refilled my water, drank some, and then went back to wondering where should I go. So I actually went and referenced the FlyLady app to see what was the mission today and what could I tackle, what else was on the zone list. And I actually saw that cleaning the fronts of the cabinets was on that list, which was actually one of the things I completed in the month of May when I first tried to do the zone cleaning with the FlyLady. I was able to clean a lot of the fronts, but I think just with daily kitchen use, sometimes there's more high traffic cabinets that they needed a little sprucing. So I decided to fill up a bowl of water, set the timer, and just get to work. A part of me, I think, was looking for an excuse to just take the night off, but I just pushed through and just got started and started cleaning this cabinet. And suddenly, once you get started, I tell you, it's like something just takes over and then you can do anything for 15 minutes. And my son did come up and want to help out, and he took over. He really wanted to play with the bucket of water. He started helping and he was having a good time helping me out. And we got the fronts of those cabinets cleaned out. Now, I didn't have to do all of them because I did do this project in May, but I also then decided, hey, I still have time. I'm going to work on the front of this stove as well. So I worked on the front of the stove, opened up the stove, and even got some of the cleaning in there done. Now, because of my helper, I did have some spilled water, which is no sweat. I just grabbed a towel and got it all cleaned up, and I got back to work. And I was cleaning the front of that stove, and then I decided, oh, you know what? I should probably clean inside the stove. So I went and grabbed I just was using the same same bowl of soapy water, rubbed down the front. I can see if you're doing this once a month, how it would stay pretty clean. I vacuumed out the inside of the stove, and my battery died on the camera, something that has been happening lately. But I also did the dishes. So I wanted to come back and show you. Yes, I did the dishes. I was moved to get all the work done. So I did the dishes, started them, and then I called it a night. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed, and hit the like button. I appreciate your time, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow for day 8 of Zone 2. Thanks for watching.